Alright everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you the bear shaft tuning and the flight of the new Crimson Talon Cleaver 200. So I got my bear shafts set to 300 grains up front. So I used stock inserts and I was able to get with the 300 grain tip, like drilling the target, drilling the bullseyes. So now I have a 200 grain broadhead, but I'm shooting a 100 grain brass insert, and I'm using the Gold Tip Hunter 300s. These are a really good arrow. And so I have my bear shaft here, and then I have my actual fletched arrow with the Crimson Talon 200. Now this is a single bevel broadhead, and I've been practicing sharpening this one. I've been using it as my practice broadhead, and it works really good, flies really good. So without further ado, let's get shooting, and I'll show you how well it shoots. So let's go. So I'll shoot bear shaft first, then I'll shoot my fletched arrow. So 200 grains for a tip, 100 grain brass insert, 20 yards. Well, that was a little high. Jerk the trigger on that one. So let's hope to God I don't hit my arrow. And I did. Well, that is not too bad. I'll have to take it. You can see right here where the broadhead ran down the shaft. But I'm not going to complain. That's pretty darn good. So, definitely take that. As you can see, first shot, that was my fault. I jerked the trigger. Getting my release back soon. So, as you can see, 200 grain, bear shaft, 200 grains up front. Shot like an absolute laser beam off of my bow. I'm shooting Matthews Black Max 2, and these arrows are 27.5 inches long. Total FOC, total weight is like 560 on this, I believe, 555 or 560. And these Crimson Talon 200 grain cleavers are absolute like darts. Like these things fly great, and I'm really anxious to see how well these do this year deer hunting. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys. I'm hopefully going to get out bear hunting, and I can't wait to get out deer hunting this year. I really want to try these and really see how these things react. I used to shoot lighter arrows, 400 grains total. These things, I have a feeling we're going to zip through some targets this year with this. So yeah, so stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, Troy, if you're watching this, I hope you approve of these. They're single bevel, and I can sharpen them too. I think that's good. Stay tuned.